we started this program back in 2009, and the concept at the time was to build a cool police car that doesn't exist anywhere else and take it to the high schools in Oxnard and just kind of give presentations to the students to stay out of gangs, don't do graffiti, stay away from drugs. Do those presentations during lunch periods or assemblies, and we actually started out doing that. But I tell you, the minute or the one day that I asked one of the students that I had seen somewhere at an event if they remembered the car, they said, "No, I don't. I'm sorry, but we were at their school," and that really triggered something. I said, "We got to do more. No one's remembering this." So we said, let's open up a shop where students can come and actually learn something.
For me, the best part for doing drag was like you get to learn new things, you get to work on cars, mostly like hands-on.
Learn as much as I can. I mean, my family passed down the art of moto for me for years, so I've been around motors a lot, but I want to learn a lot more, and I really like the staff, and I'm excited.
And it's fun to see, it really is, to see the outcome. And then come graduation, wow, that's our rewarding system at the end of the year, is to see our kids that could have been doing other things out there move on to something better.